What's your name?
I'm Josh.
Josh?
Josh, it's my 2012 EVO 10. I've got a big turbo in it, E85, pretty much every bolt-on you can get. Deleted the AC, deleted a lot of other stuff you can't see.
Oh, the AC is deleted?
Yep.
And the turbo's mounted down here?
Yep.
Yeah, I see it there.
The rear mount 76 millimeter turbo that we made at my shop, Vargas Turbo.
What shop is this?
Vargas Turbo. Bam.
There you go, little promotion.
Little promos there. Yeah, I build all our turbos.
And where are you guys at?
Here in Hayward.
Oh, it's in Hayward.
Yeah, we do mostly Audi and BMW stuff, but we can get Garrett, we can get... Turbonetics has been a little hard, I've noticed, to get parts for. Like, we tried to get a 6266 recently, didn't work out so well.
Oh, really?
But Garrett...
Supply chain issue?
Yeah, supply chain issue seems to be. But Garrett, we got all our stuff that we make for Audis, GTIs, all kinds of fun shit.
You have the dyno too to also test?
We do actually. We have a two-wheel dyno that we can do some.
You do customer tunes, or
if
just
we do the install, and
only if you do the install?
Yeah, if we install stuff and kind of give it a once-over, make sure it's not going to.
Okay, so you're not a tuner per se.
Yeah, no, we do actually for customer cars like the BMWs. Like if they buy our turbos, get all installed with us, and we run it down, check make sure it's not pissing oil. Sure, we'll throw them on the dyno.
Oh, okay.
But other than that, yeah, we try not to have to clean up that room too much.
Got it.
With the boss at it, every now and again, sometimes the motors do go.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, that's a very fun, not fun 2 days or so.
Yeah, I get it.
So, but yeah, we definitely can. It's possible to get you tuned on there. We'd just like to give her a good old once over. Hopefully one day this thing will be touching 600 horsepower without the motor build, but
what do you think it's at now?
It's definitely right around 500 right now. That's where my tune was left at before.
Oh wow, that's healthy.
Yeah, I've got pretty much everything the same that was there before. It's just a different motor. So
now, do you track it?
I haven't in a while. It's been 5 years, but yeah.
What kind of tracks?
Thunderhill's the only one I've been to.
Okay.
I was trying to make the Laguna. I got to beat my video game times.
Okay.
But yeah, she'll get to Laguna hopefully this summer, maybe fall. Just got to do work a couple bugs out and get it retuned, so I'm sure I can go beat on it.
Now, do you do road track, drag?
I've done drag.
Mostly
not
road.
So much, yeah. Road course and autocross is more what this car's focused on.
Okay. Nice.
But yeah, drag strips are fun. I almost got a 10-second pass once, but I blew my exhaust manifold gasket.
Oh wow, 10 seconds, that's good.
Yeah, I was ahead of a car that's bracketed at 10.3, like all the way down, and as soon as I got into fourth, lost all boost, and he just right on past me. He got a 10.3 pass.
Did you soak the track down?
Oh no, I just lost the turbo manifold gasket. So
oh, okay.
Luckily no oil, just a whole bunch of fucking smoke across my windshield.
Oh, okay.
Like, what the hell's that?
Nice. So how long have you had it?
Almost 10 years.
10
September
years?
will be 10 years.
Oh, okay. So you know every little piece of this car.
Pretty much. Every zip tie, every bolt, all been touched on by me. Just got to get some freaking tires back on those TEs. She looks so much better with the bright orange wheels. All the orange makes so much more sense.
Oh, you used to have orange wheels on it?
I still have the orange wheels, but they don't have tires on them. They're so wide. It's like those are $1,400 set of tires.
Oh, so you're like me. You still got to replace them.
Yeah, the 3 of them that are on the wheel still are corded, and the one that blew out was this one. It lost the sidewall completely, just cut it.
Oh, so yeah. I'm in that same boat. And tires are so expensive. That's why I have those little tires on there.
Oh, those 285s just not cheap.
Yeah, I got 295, 35s, 20s on that truck. Yeah, that's why I have the mismatched wheels, because my other wheels, the tires are gone.
That ain't cheap.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you don't have to tell me. And then lead times on it too.
That's true.
A lot of them you just can't get, or you'll be waiting for them.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get the
booty shot.
Get the booty shot. Get all around it. So do you have anything that you've done to the inside, suspension?
I've got KW Club Sports coming. Right now all I've got is stock suspension and springs.
Okay.
But eventually I'll have the 2-way adjustables and a little bit lower.
Now does it come with the Brembos?
Yeah, stock Brembos. I'm actually swapping those out for Willwoods. We sell small brake kits too. and I'm going to try and downsize the rotors a little bit, but upsize the calipers from 4 piston to 6.
Okay.
And just save a little weight on the corners to get a little more reactivity in the steering wheel and a little more acceleration. Just
okay.
Taking weight off the corners, all that matters.
Nice.
So, but yeah, we sell everything from Willwood, so we'll get that going soon. So,
okay.
Very I'd also like to one day run 17s with track tires one day.
With some track tires?
Some official
instead of the street tires?
Yeah.
What do you got on there now?
Right now I got some Potendas.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I was.
Yeah, those don't get any grip.
They're actually quite a bit
they?
of fun with the diffs in this thing. It's still got.
Oh yeah, this is all-wheel drive.
Yeah, so it kind of invents traction.
Yeah, I have Potendas on mine, and I'm rear wheel, so it's no grip though.
I mean, it's fun because like if I get a little further in the gas, it'll start sliding, and I can use the wheel slide to turn the car more.
Yeah.
It's kind of a cool little setup it's got. But yeah, I'd love to have some actual track tires on this thing.
Yeah, I got the R888s, but I never run them on the street because they're too sticky and they just wear out.
Yeah, this thing like this, I was running what was it, AO48 Advans on the track, and those were good once they were warm. When they were cold, it was kind of scary.
Yeah.
I had a couple good times of going completely sideways on the track.
Oh, I bet.
I'm like, oh no. Not saving.
Are you part of a club?
The EVO club, but not like a racing club.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, actually, I'm the admin for the Bayer EVOs.
Is it a pretty big club?
We've got like 3,000 folks. I think there's maybe like 1,500 active EVOs here.
Okay.
In the area, yeah.
You got your media page?
We don't really have a media page. It's more of like a private little club.
Oh, okay.
We host our own meets that like we try to open it up a little bit, and we get all kinds of like just not really cool people showing up to the meets. Yeah. Doing burnouts and getting people state rep and shit.
Yeah.
And
I talked about that already on the channel. Well, I mean, I think they respect the meets that are calm. Like they probably didn't get any calls of burnouts and stuff. So they're probably not sweating anybody because there was no activity, just people hanging out, having a good time.
Drinking coffee.
Yeah, so why target those people? Now, if you're someone that's going to target people for just showing up and showing off their cars, then that's a personality issue with the officer.
Yeah, that's why I don't go to Fremont anymore. We don't talk about Fremont meets.
Oh, really?
If you see a Fremont car meet, you stay the fuck away.
Oh, wow.
Since Paul Walker passed, they have not liked car meets. Because the first meet after he passed, just all that automall, just tire smoke, guys revving engines. They came in with like 40 cars and like,
oh really?
I was off in a corner, like minding my own business.
And they're still
yeah, they popped my hood and everything.
Off that, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. So, well, I go to the ones in Niles. I mean, that's technically Fremont.
Yeah, Niles.
But they're different, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's those big meets that are really just like, no, fuck everybody.
It's probably those midnight meets because the ones that are in Niles are all during the day. Everyone's calm and
there's a lot of older cars too.
Yeah. It's a different crowd.
Yeah.
Definitely a different crowd. It's a 6-speed?
No, it's only 5.
5-speed?
One day when I have the money to do the transmission, it'll have a Samsung 6-speed though.
Yeah.
Because we got one in a shop car at the shop and I love it. I'm sold. They make one for the EVO, I gotta do it. Because it's $5,000 to build this trans.
Yeah.
It's only 10 for the Samsung. It's like, it's a lifetime warranty, good for 1,000 wheel torque. How can I break it?
Okay. How about the fuel injection? Did anything there for fuel management?
Yeah, I've got 1100cc injectors.
Oh, those are big boys.
Yeah, I can go bigger, but they're good enough. And then I got Walbro 525 in there and an upgraded fuel line.
Okay.
So.
A 525, that's a big pump.
That's I believe the Hellcat pump.
Yeah. Yeah, that should be good up to a 1,200 horse.
I won't see that in this car ever.
Yeah, no, I mean it'll support that though. Yeah. That's a lot of fuel.
It should do at least the 700 I need when I finally build the motor.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's that I don't plan on changing that. I do plan on moving it from being in the tank to in a surge tank though, and just changing the lift pump back to the stock.
Okay.
So if you put the stock one back in there, that feeds the surge tank enough, but that 525 will ramp up all you need up to the injectors.
Oh yeah.
And so it'll just simplify things and make it efficient, because I don't ever want that going lean in the corner to happen again. Like before I go on the track, I have to buy that surge tank.
Yeah, no, I've been there.
That was a risky one.
I ended up having to put baffles in my Camaro because it would slosh and then it would starve it on the turns, like you say, especially on the really hard turns.
Yeah, the hard lefts is what does these in, because it's all on the, yeah, because it's the fuel pump's on the left, so it pulls all the fuel out to the right.
See, mine's in the center, so it didn't matter if I went left or right. if I did a really hard turn, it would slosh to one side and it would starve the pump.
Damn. Yeah.
So yeah, I had to go back in there and put a baffle system in.
Yeah, I needed just.
I thought about a surge tank, but I just didn't want to add the extra complexity to it.
I almost did a freaking fuel cell before I actually fired this thing up, just to like bypass it. But I'm like, nah, not yet. No need for that.
You know, I thought about that too, but because of the filler neck on the old Camaros is behind the license plate, I didn't want to lose that.
Yeah.
I didn't want to have to pop the trunk for a fuel cell.
Yeah.
I just liked the way that they had the hidden the filler neck.
Yeah, well,
So I wanted to keep that old. Yeah.
I was thinking about it because like I could just weld the little thing on there and turn it. It's like, I don't know, I kind of like subs. I don't want to take up my trunk. My battery's back there. Battery next to the fuel cell.
Yeah. Well, you never know because they're constantly changing, right?
Yeah. So one day we'll figure it out.
Us car guys are never done.
Yeah, no, this thing's definitely never going to be done. The Evolution name is definitely hanging strong in this thing. It's
nice.
Never satisfied. Yo, you got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
Brett Media.
Brett Media?
Yeah, it's small. I'm just trying to grow it.
I'll check it out.
BRETT.
Yeah.
Space Media. No underscore, no slashes, just space.
All right. Thanks.
So 2 T's.
Right.
All right.
See ya.
Subscribe to the channel.
I will.
Well, fam, that's the end of another episode, and I want to thank you all for watching. And if you like what you saw today, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I release fresh content weekly. And as a new series, I'm going to feature subscribers, rides, and builds. So if you have a car that you'd like featured on the channel, or your friend, go ahead and comment below. Or hit me up by email at brettscarmedia@gmail.com. And until next time, stay good, family.